G'day, how's it going? Tony Will here. Today I want to talk a little bit about stage fright, or people that get nervous on stage when they're competing in bodybuilding. I just saw a bodybuilding show during the weekend and I noticed a lot of people getting very nervous on stage. And I remember one particular show last year, one person nearly walking off the stage because they were so nervous. And I want to give a couple of tips on what can help you. So the first tip is to be prepared. So basically, when you're posing, you're going to be holding poses for a very long time. And if you're not prepared and you haven't got the conditioning or the stamina to hold those poses, then you'll start to shake and you feel like you're not doing a good job and nerves will start to rack. But if you get so used to holding the poses for a long time that when you're on stage you can do it just as easily, then you'll feel a lot more comfortable on stage. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is, if you feel nervous on stage, is to reframe it. Because in the body, anxiety and excitement are the same sort of physiological responses. It's just adrenaline. And then it's whatever thought you have alongside of that will make it negative or positive. So if it's anxiety, you get the adrenaline rush and you get the shakes in the body, and then you got the negative thought and then just plays into it and it makes it worse. But if you reframe it and say, hey, this is excitement, this is what I want, this is going well, I'm just pumped up to do really well at this, reframe it, and then you'll feel excited, or you actually will feel excited and good about it, and then you'll do a lot better. So just reframe anxiety as excitement, and it will turn the stresses into better performance. So that's my two tips for doing better on stage, because I don't want people to do all that work and prep and then not enjoy their stage day, because that really sucks, because that's the highlight of your whole prep, is making it to stage, doing well. Well, no matter how well you place, it's good that you've brought the best you possibly could on that day, and you should be proud and should enjoy the moment. If you're not, it really sucks. So I want you guys to enjoy the experience. So that's all from me today. Okay, see you guys.